Transmitter's on, the throttle cut is on. Flight test number 1 with the F-15 Eagle Fang. I'm really nervous about this plane as well as there's people everywhere all of a sudden. Transmitter's on, the throttle cut is on. I put a little camera in the ducting, RunCam5. See if I can turn it on with my pinky. I can barely reach the button. There we go. And it should be recording.
Okay.
Throttle cut off. Throttle cut back on. Okay, let's go. Flight test number 1 with the F-15 Eagle Fang Karate from the show Cobra Kai. Here we go, flight test number 1. I'm really nervous about this plane as well as there's people everywhere all of a sudden. Throttle cut on. Okay. Clevis came loose. Yeah, it pitched really hard to one side. Okay, throttle cut off. Let's just try again. No, see that about tail heavy? I think it's tail heavy. I'm gonna do one more just for the hell of it, but it looks pretty darn tail heavy to me. I'm just gonna try a hand toss without power, see what happens.
Okay.
It immediately wants to go that way. Grass in it. Grass on the camera. Yeah, I'm thinking this one is too tail heavy and it seems to be banking pretty hard to the right. So let's give it one more try. Okay, we did 3 flight tests with this one. So I think that's about it. It keeps banking really hard to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and this one here. That's did not. I think it's a little tail heavy. It doesn't seem awfully tail heavy, honestly, but it's banking really hard to the right. Even if I just toss it without any throttle. So that's the end of this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Later. Design from scratch, you know, you don't buy it from the store, it takes work. It definitely takes work. Yeah, a little loose. And there's a big crumpled end there, and the receiver is hanging out. So not too bad.